Welcome back to Apple Insider, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews, tech insights, and everything you need to know before you make your next tech decision. Today we are diving into something truly special, a phone that revives nostalgia while bringing in the latest connectivity upgrade. Yes, we are talking about the Nokia 1100 4G, a modern reimagining of one of the world's most iconic handsets. The Nokia 1100 was a legend, a phone known for its durability, simplicity, and sheer dominance in the early 2000s. Now, with 4G support, a refreshed design, and smarter features, it's making a comeback. The question is, does this new version live up to its legendary name, or is it just a trip down memory lane? Let's find out, keynote style, with each point broken down clearly so you can decide whether this is worth your attention. Number 1. Design and build quality. The Nokia 1100 4G takes a huge amount of inspiration from the original design but refines it for the modern era. The body is still compact, lightweight, and pocket-friendly, keeping that old-school charm alive, but now it comes with smoother edges, a sturdier plastic shell, and better grip. What made the original special was its indestructibility, and this new 4G version follows the same DNA. It feels solid in the hand, resistant to scratches and drops, and you immediately get the sense that this is not a fragile piece of glass like modern smartphones but a companion you can actually use without worry. Even the keypad has been carefully updated. The rubber buttons are tactile and responsive, built for people who want the satisfaction of physical typing, something that touchscreens simply cannot replace. It is a phone designed with utility first, and Nokia has smartly kept it practical, reliable, and built for people who value durability over fragility. In a world where most phones crack with a single drop, the Nokia 1100 4G is a refreshing reminder that simple can still mean strong. Number 2. Display. The screen on the Nokia 1100 4G is not meant to compete with the OLED panels of modern flagships, but rather to serve the purpose it was designed for: readability, simplicity, and efficiency. It comes with a compact, bright, and clear display that is visible even in outdoor sunlight, a crucial aspect for a basic phone. The colors are sharp enough to handle the simple graphics, icons, and text without any eye strain. Nokia has optimized the font size and layout to make it user-friendly for all age groups, whether you are a teenager looking for a distraction-free phone or an elder who just wants an easy-to-read display. While the display is small compared to modern smartphones, it is functional, battery efficient, and exactly what you need from a device like this. Sometimes less really is more, and the Nokia 1100 4G's display proves that. Number 3. Performance. Here's where the magic of modernization comes in. The Nokia 1100 4G is powered by a lightweight chipset designed to handle calling, messaging, basic internet browsing, and apps with complete smoothness. You will not find heavy multitasking or gaming capabilities here, but that is not the point of this device. The performance focus is reliability. Apps load instantly, menu navigation is snappy, and the 4G connectivity ensures that when you want to use the internet, whether for quick browsing, WhatsApp, or simple streaming, it works without lag. The operating system has been built to maximize efficiency on limited hardware, meaning you never feel the phone is struggling. It is a phone designed to perform for what it was built for, without the clutter of unnecessary features. Number 4. Camera. The original Nokia 1100 didn't even have a camera, so the fact that the 4G version includes one is itself an upgrade. The camera is basic, just enough for casual snapshots, QR scanning, and everyday utility. It is not designed for photography enthusiasts, and Nokia is upfront about that. The pictures are serviceable in daylight, good enough for quick captures or sending images over chat. It is more about functionality than creativity, and for a device like this, that is perfectly fine. In fact, the addition of a camera feels like a bonus feature rather than a primary selling point. Number 5. Battery life. This is where the Nokia 1100 4G truly shines, just like the original did. The massive strength of this device lies in its incredible endurance. With a relatively small screen, efficient hardware, and a large removable battery, you can expect days of usage on a single charge. Where modern smartphones struggle to last beyond a day, this phone can easily give you 3 to 5 days of standby time and multiple hours of active calling and browsing without breaking a sweat. This makes it ideal for travelers, outdoor workers, or anyone tired of constantly charging their device. The charging itself is simple and quick, and because the phone doesn't consume unnecessary power, it gives you freedom and peace of mind. Battery life is not just a feature here, it is the soul of the Nokia 1100 4G, carrying forward its legendary reputation for longevity. Number 6. Software and features. The Nokia 1100 4G runs on a clean, lightweight operating system designed for simplicity. You get the essentials like calling, texting, 4G browsing, basic apps, and even some modern touches like social media support. It also comes with tools like a flashlight, FM radio, calendar, and of course, the classic Snake game, which is a nostalgic treat for fans of the original. Nokia has balanced the software beautifully, making it simple enough for older users while still functional enough for younger audiences who may use it as a secondary device. The inclusion of 4G Volt means calls are crisp, clear, and reliable. It also supports basic Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, making it versatile for everyday communication needs. The focus is not on stuffing the phone with features, but on keeping it light, smooth, and distraction-free. Number 7. Value for money. This is perhaps the most important point when we talk about the Nokia 1100 4G. Priced affordably, this phone is not trying to compete with smartphones, but instead, it is redefining what a budget-friendly, reliable handset should be. It is perfect for people who want a secondary phone, a reliable backup, or even a primary device for those who prefer simplicity. For the price, you are getting incredible durability, unmatched battery life, modern 4G connectivity, and the reassurance of Nokia's trusted brand. In today's market of expensive, fragile, and power-hungry phones, the Nokia 1100 4G is a breath of fresh air. It proves that good value does not mean cutting corners, it means delivering exactly what the user needs, without unnecessary gimmicks. So, after looking at the Nokia 1100 4G in detail, what is the verdict? This is not a phone meant to replace your flagship device. It is not here to wow you with flashy specs or futuristic design. Instead, it is here to remind us of what made Nokia legendary in the first place: reliability, durability, and practicality. The design feels strong and trustworthy, the display is simple but efficient, performance is reliable, the camera is a handy extra, and the battery life is nothing short of amazing. Add to that the lightweight software and unbeatable price point, and you have a device that knows its audience and delivers with confidence. For anyone looking for a distraction-free phone, a backup for emergencies, or simply a nostalgic piece of modern history, the Nokia 1100 4G is a fantastic choice. It is not trying to be a smartphone, and that is exactly why it succeeds. It gives you freedom, peace of mind, and a phone you can actually trust. And in today's world, that is priceless. This has been the detailed review of the Nokia 1100 4G. You are watching Apple Insider, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews, insights, and comparisons. Until next time, stay tuned, stay informed, and keep exploring the world of tech with us.